मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं मुदाकरात्मोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेभदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेभदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरादिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदोद्धरं न तेतरादिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदोद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं माहेश्वरं समाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरौ क्षमाकरौ मोदाकरौ यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगवचर्वणम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगवचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्दकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृतनं नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्दकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृतनं हृदातरे निरतरं वसतमेव योगिनां त्वमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं हृदातरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्। This is a stotram written by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Pancharatnam means 5 jewels, and here Shankaracharya praises Sri Ganesha by presenting 5 verses as 5 jewels. Let's look at the meaning of each. The first one, Mudakaratta Modakam Sada Vimukti Sadakam Kaladharavatamsakam Vilasi Lokarakshakam Anayakaika Nayakam Vinasi Debhadaityakam Natashu Bashu Nashakam Namamitam Vinayakam. Ganesha here is described as the one holding Modaka in his hand, who grants Vimukti, wears moon as a crown, one who destroyed Gajasura, the elephant-faced demon, and also the one who destroys sins of those who pray to him. The second one, Natetaradi Bhikaram Navodidarka Bhaswaram Namat Surari Nirjaram Natadikapaduddharam Sureswaram Nidhiswaram Gajeshwaram Ganeswaram Maheswaram Tamasraye Paratparam Nirantaram. I constantly meditate on Ganesha, who induces fear to those who are dishonest and offers protection to those who approach him. Some of the adjectives describing Ganesha are presented here. Sureswara, god of the Devas. Nidhiswara, leader of wealth. Gajeswara, one with an elephant head. Ganeswara, lord of the Ganas. The third one, Samastaloka Shankaram Nirasta Daitya Kunjaram Daredaro Daram Varam Vare Bhavaktram Krupakaram Kshamakaram Mudakaram Yashaskaram Manaskaram Namaskritam Namaskaromi Bhaswaram. I pray to Ganesha, who brings happiness to all the worlds, who destroyed Gajasura, has a beautiful elephant face and grants boons. The one who showers grace and forgives mistakes, and he is the one who induces good thoughts in devotees. I bow to you, the God with a shining form. The fourth one, Akinchanati Marjanam Chiranta Nokti Bhajanam Purari Purva Nandanam Surari Garva Charvanam Prapanchanasha Bhishanam Dhananjayadi Bhushanam Kapola Dana Varanam Bhaje Purana Varanam. I worship the God who destroys the pains of the poor. He is praised in the Puranas, who is the eldest son of Lord Shiva, who destroyed Tripura. He is the one who destroyed the pride of the enemies of the gods and wears Dhananjaya and serpents as ornaments. Coming to the last one, Nitanta Kanta Danta Kanti Manda Kanta Katmajam Achintya Rupa Mantahina Mantaraya Krantanam Hridantare Nirantaram Vasantameva Yoginam Tamekadantamevatam Vichintayami Santatam. Ganesha is the one who is bright with a shiny tusk. His true form is unimaginable. He is the eternal one and lives in the hearts of the yogis forever. I meditate on the deity with a single tusk, Ekadanta, and who removes all obstacles. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.